The Farmer and His Lazy Sons. In Madhanpur lived a very hard-working farmer named Gopal. He has 3 sons, Ram, Laxman and Hanuman. All 3 were strong and healthy, but they were all lazy. Gopal was sad thinking about his sons and the future of his farmland. One day, Gopal got a flash of an idea. He called all his sons and said, Ram, Laxman, and Hanuman, I have hidden a treasure in our farmland. You search and share the treasure among you. The 3 sons were overjoyed. They went to the fields and started searching. Ram started from one end. Laxman searched from the other end, and Hanuman did so from the center. They dug each and every inch of the field, but they could not find anything. Gopal said to his sons, Dear boys, now you have tooled and conditioned the field, why not we sow a crop? Off went the sons to sow the crops. Days passed. Soon, the crops grew lushly green. The sons were delighted. The father said, Sons, this is the real treasure I wanted you to share. Moral, fruits of hard work are always sweet.